Let's meet the mom who changed her life simply by organizing it. When a member of my team came across this photo on Pinterest, it went viral in our office. Everyone was asking, who is this mom that has redefined organization? Because so many of us have trouble organizing our own lives, leading to stress and anxiety. So I want you to meet Heidi. She's going to show us how to get organized in 60 seconds. And she's proof that keeping your home in order can keep your health in check.
Quit running in the house. My name is Heidi, and my family is one big ball of crazy. We have myself, my husband John, my 12-year-old Emma, our 7-year-old Evan, 3-year-old dog Dobby, and 11-year-old Big Bertha, our minivan. Big Bertha, she's got over 166,000 miles on her. We go everywhere in our minivan. To and from school, football practice, music lessons, track meets. Good job, guys, you're doing awesome. I am in that van more than I'm in my own house. Our schedules are so crazy hectic. We'll get in the car, be halfway out the driveway.
I forgot my backpack.
And we forgot something. Anything else?
No. Mom, did you get his helmet?
Okay. It wasn't until my husband was diagnosed with cancer that our minivan actually became our saving grace. We were in the car so many times, so many hours driving to and from chemo appointments. There was a specialist in Indianapolis, which is about 700 miles one way. Money was very tight, so we decided to drive there. That trip was stressful. We were so unorganized for travel. It was then that I decided we need a minivan makeover, stat.
Please welcome Heidi, or as we now call her, the minivan mom. You saw her family went through a difficult time, so she took the steps she needed to take control. I'm so happy you did that. How's John doing?
He's doing great. We've been 4 years without any incidents. So.
Is that his handsome face over there?
This is him.
Cheering you on?
Yes.
How would you describe the stress you were feeling before you got organized?
Before I got organized, I felt like at times I was going crazy. It was just getting overwhelming. And, you know, I felt like my mental health was in jeopardy. So I decided I needed to do something about it.
So did it work? When you actually organized your van, did it change how you were coping with life? Did your stress level drop?
Yes. Just, you know, 5 minutes off your day could help so much.
Yeah, because it's every single day.
It's
how you
every
feel
day,
about it. You
all
all of a
day
sudden,
long.
you're controlling life. All right, so I want to take a look at how you took control and how she turned her car into the family's command center. Take a look.
I knew we needed a minivan makeover when I realized how unorganized we were for travel. So I went ahead and did it myself. Now I've got everything I ever needed in my car and more. I've got toiletries, bug repellent, first aid kits, stationery, ponchos. I even have barf bags. And Dobby even has his own bag. Dobby, it's your bag. We've got spoons and forks for eating on the road. We even have this little contraption, which is our travel potty. Normally just the kids use it, but in an emergency, the adults could. We've got a picnic blanket, umbrellas, we have chairs for football. When it comes to Evan's football, we're always forgetting something, so we decided to have 2 of everything, 1 in his bag and 1 in the car. So I've even got an extra athletic cup.
Mom!
Sorry, Evan. We go on road trips all the time now. So the organization didn't just stop at the trunk of our minivan. We carried it on into the cabin. Kids sit back here in the second row, and we wanted to do something to keep all their stuff organized. We found these file hangers at an office supply store. We got carabiners to hang them onto back of our seats, and it carries all their stuff and keeps it in place while we're driving. This simple filing box creates a perfect table. It fits between the kids' seats, and it also has storage inside. Another trick I learned is to always keep a spare pair of clothes for everybody underneath the seats.
Our whole family has taken up running, and now we travel to races all across the country in the minivan. We've gone to Texas,
Kentucky, Kansas,
Missouri,
and Arkansas.
I don't know what I would do if we didn't have that minivan. Our lives would be so much harder without all the stuff she carries for us.
We love our minivan.
That is unbelievable. We have owned a minivan in the Oz household my entire adult life. It has never looked like that. It's not even close. I wish I had met you years ago. Is your whole life disorganized?
Not at all. It's actually funny. I organize out of necessity, so there's parts of my home that are really organized and other parts that I would never show anybody.
Let's go to your kitchen.
Okay.
That's a pretty organized place, I understand.
Yeah, mostly.
So why is it so critical? Why do you prioritize preparing your meals? Why is that fundamentally important?
Well, for me, we've got a busy schedule, and so by having my meals planned, I know exactly what I'm cooking that day. I know exactly what I need to do it, and I get it done.
All right, this is one of the smartest ideas. I think people all over the country will be taking this tactic because it's so straightforward. Explain this binder and this little calendar you've made.
So this is our family cookbook, and it is full of recipes that my kids will eat. My kids are normal American kids, and they will not eat everything. And so before it makes it in this binder, we have to have a family vote.
You're kidding me.
I'm not kidding.
So these are all chicken stuff. Oh, you do?
Yeah,
you broke it up
yeah.
like that. You have chicken stuff, you have ground beef stuff.
Right, I go off what meat I buy. So yeah, we have it in here, and then once they like it, I put it in.
You have breads.
Yeah.
You've got lunch meats, no meat foods. What do they have here? Zucchini ziti. Right. So once you got it here, then what do you do?
So then every week on a certain day, it's usually Sunday, I will make our meal plan, which this is kind of a reenactment of the one at home. And I pick 5 dinners and 5 lunches for the kids that week and take them just off the recipe and stick it up there. And then I do my grocery shopping based off this. So it saves time, it saves money, and
It's clever. It's clever, simple, and I mean, I tell you,
so easy.
we have an Oz Family cookbook. It's not quite as elaborate as this, but it's a similar concept. And it's a good point. Why make foods? Why go shopping for stuff to force the kids when they won't do it? All right. This drawer I've heard rumors about since I heard about you. Your friends apparently make fun of this.
They do.
So do we a little bit. But now I'm actually seeing it and I'm getting the story a little clearer. What's going on here?
Yeah, so this is like my lunch drawer at home. I pack the kids' lunches almost every day that I can. And I've looked on Pinterest at those great little bento boxes that I can never do. I can never pull off. But I thought, I can still put some cute colors in it and put their little crackers in these little muffin things. Hand sanitizer, I always put that in their lunch boxes. They probably never use it, but.
Now I notice these are all recycled containers. These are coffee
They are,
creamers.
yeah. I drink a lot of coffee, and I use these containers for everything. They're the perfect size, and they're strong and free.
And free.
Once you drink your coffee.
Can't beat that. Yeah.
You can't.
And most of this probably from the dollar store anyway, because it's pretty inexpensive.
Yeah, lots of dollar store stuff.
This is a big point here, and I got to say, I want to emphasize this. It doesn't take 1 minute to make this, but if you spend the half hour, whatever it takes to organize this, then for the rest of your life, you're spending 1 minute. 1 minute to get things done. And that's why I think these ideas are so important. There are these things they're called nuts, that's what doctors call them, nagging unfinished tasks. And when you have simple little things, they're like the swing, the porch door hitting at the bottom every time because you didn't fix the spring. That's what a male would worry about. You'd worry about having a mess in your minivan or this. Take a few minutes, organize something that's important that you prioritize because you can't get to everything, and the rest of your life, you're so proud. Do you ever posture like a peacock walking around saying, I'm so proud of this?
No, but my husband does. He's very proud of me.
He should be proud of you, Heidi. It's a lot to be proud of.
Much.
You have good taste in women, and he should love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.